Hey there everybody, it's Tracy from teachmetracy.com. Today I'm giving you part 2 of our top 10 YouTube channels that we use in our homeschool. On this channel you're going to find videos all about the tips, tools, and tricks to thrive in a homeschool lifestyle. Today's video is part 2 of 2 in the top 10 YouTube channels that we use in our homeschool program. So if you missed the first video, I'll link it above in the iCard so that you can watch it when you have a chance. I know many of you, as I said before, may not like to use screens as much in your homeschool program. And I certainly understand where you're coming from as far as that goes. We try to limit screen time as much as possible. But I think when you're using it in a homeschool program or to reinforce what you're already teaching, it's important to present material in a lots of different ways because you have different types of learners in your homeschool program, and not every kid is going to learn the same way. And using a visual and videos with song and movement can help reinforce what they previously learned, and it gives them an opportunity to practice, therefore solidifying the skill that they've already learned. So number 6 for us is Jack Hartman. This guy is amazing. He sings, he teaches, and he does all kinds of videos. Some are about math, some are about beginning reading sounds, some are about consonant blends. The list of things that he teaches on this channel are endless. So if you have kids in your homeschool program that are between the ages of maybe 3 to about 3rd grade or so, this is a great channel to use. You can incorporate Jack Hartman's videos when you need a brain break, or when you want some movement, or maybe you have kids that are a little bit squirmy in their seats and they just need a few minutes to reset. Put on one of these Jack Hartman videos and your kids will be blown away, I promise. You'll love it too. Number 7. This channel is called Sci Show Kids. It's a wonderful channel for those kids that need hands-on learning. Sci Show Kids is really instrumental in showing kids how to do experiments and then explaining the science behind them. So kids love to get their hands in on these science experiments. So if you're trying to come up with science curriculum for pre-K, maybe all the way up into 5th grade. So if you're working with multiple ages, this is something that you can use, and it gives students an opportunity to practice their science skills. Number 8 is Have Fun Teaching. And these guys are really great with the songs and also support outside of the YouTube videos. They have a website, havefunteaching.com. And if you are a homeschooler or if you are a teacher in the regular classroom, they offer a free subscription to their website. So make sure you take advantage of that. Have Fun Teaching has lots of resources, from beginning in the alphabet to beginning letter sounds to science things. We used the videos for Have Fun Teaching when we were doing our unit on the water cycle. And it was a lot of fun. The videos are great on the water cycle. They also have videos about weather, calendar, seasonal changes. All of those are great resources on Have Fun Teaching. Number 9 is a channel that I really would encourage you to check out, especially if you're struggling with trying to put music into your homeschool program. It's called Music with Lindsey. She is fantastic. These are actual 25 to 30 minute lessons for music. And she starts out with basic music theory. There's a story that goes along with her theme of each lesson. And then she will introduce them to classical music and rhythm techniques. There are all kinds of things she gets into in this channel. So please check it out. It's one of our favorites. And number 10 is Whiz Kids Science. This is another science experiment channel. And so they just go through and do various STEM science experiments. And it's so much fun because you can watch it all the way through, and then you can gather materials and then repeat the experiment yourself. And it's terrific. That's all I have for you today. Last week and this week, we were talking about the top 10 YouTube channels to incorporate with your homeschool. one more thing. I've started a Facebook group for all of you homeschoolers that want some support and maybe get some tips and tools and tricks from other parents that are out there maybe in the same boat that you are. Veteran homeschoolers or new homeschoolers, it doesn't make a difference. I will link it below down in the description box. When you are homeschooling, it's very important that you have a community and a supportive community to guide you through those days where you just want to pull all your hair out. So go there and join. I can't wait to see you there. I'll see you right back here next week. Bye-bye.